Hello friends, my name is Josefa and today I will show you how to merge videos by using KineMaster. Now let's start. After downloading KineMaster, open it. Now click here. Now click on camera and choose the videos you want to merge. Click on OK. After you have selected all the videos you want to merge, click here on back. And then you can check it if it is merged or not. And the plus sign here, it shows that from where the video is merged. After you have checked it by clicking on display, click on back, and then here you will able to see that here's your video you have merged. Click on it, and now for sharing it, click on share. Now click on export, click on skip, and this may take few minutes. Now click on here share and choose the app in which you want to share. This is how you can merge videos by using KineMaster. Thank you friends for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel Skillstar. See you in next video.